Whether you're building a new house or updating your existing home, most people think they've only got two choices for windows, wood framed or aluminum framed. But today let's talk about the third option, vinyl framed windows. Vinyl costs less, is more energy efficient, and is easier to maintain than wood or aluminum. Well, it's time to add some windows on our next generation home, and we're using different building materials on this house. On the exterior walls we use concrete. On the window frame we're using vinyl. This particular window is made by Alside, and vinyl's got a lot of great properties. It's very easy to clean. It's also energy efficient. The hot and cold doesn't pass through it the way an aluminum frame window does. The good plus compared to wood, it never cracks, never splinters, and you never have to paint it. Vinyl might be right for your house. Let me show you a few reasons why. Whenever you buy a home or you order new windows for your existing house, make sure that it has double pane glass. It's twice as energy efficient if you have two panes of glass as opposed to one. One of the nice things about vinyl windows are most of them have clips. You can pop them out and open them. Makes it very easy to clean. Plus, you can reach up on the outside of the upper pane and clean it as well. And if you have a two-story house, this is a big plus. You don't need a ladder on the outside of your house to clean your windows. Now, this window has mutton bars in it. Those are the bars that make the crisscross pattern. And it's nice because we can clean this very easily because the mutton bars are between the glass. So we don't have any tight corners where the mutton bars are where dirt or grease might hide. Well, this is definitely a custom home, but notice that they put vinyl windows in it.
It's starting to become the popular thing.
Alex Rohr works for one of the country's largest vinyl window manufacturers.
Yes, you can. Well, some of the features that you should look for in a vinyl window that are offered today that many of the homeowners and builders find very, very user-friendly would be multiple locks, would be reinforced lift rails, something similar to what you're holding.
Okay, so this is cut out of one of these pieces, and when you say reinforced, it's got a steel piece in the middle?
Yes, it does. It's a galvanized piece of steel that actually our lock is drilled through it. So it also would help prevent any problem of the lock possibly coming out.
Okay, and you say two locks instead of just one, so it's a safer window, harder to break into?
Yes, the two locks definitely would make the window stronger as far as when it's locked down.
Okay, and how about your corner piece here? What should we be watching for?
This is a corner cut of a vinyl extrusion. It basically shows that in this particular model it has a J channel. This is nice in many markets where vinyl siding is used. The vinyl siding goes right into the edge, and this is a firm piece connected to the window. The other thing that this corner cut shows is a wood jamb extension. We've taken the beauty of wood. In this case, this is a piece of primed wood that is applied directly to the vinyl window so that as it's being installed into an opening, it can be trimmed out directly from the outside rather than having to put pieces of wood in their place.
Okay, so you can still have the beauty and yet the lesser price. That's great. Many custom homes feature larger windows, and to get that wide view, two or more windows must be joined together. These are called mulled windows. This is like two windows coming together, actually?
Yes.
Okay, and what should we watch for on this piece?
This piece shows that inside a typical mull that we manufacture, there's a steel reinforcement that runs inside the whole length of the mulled unit. This makes it stronger, less chance of movement.
Now, Alex, you were talking about mulling windows together earlier, and here you've got three individual windows mulled together, and you do have your steel in there because that is tight. Wind wouldn't blow that window in, would it?
It certainly helps to have that steel and to make that this three units together as one.
Act as one window. It's definitely stronger. Now, when did they start doing this in vinyl, the arch tops and the different shapes that you now see on custom homes?
Well, this, again, since we are using the vinyl windows in a larger style home, the demands for special shapes, is what we call these, has increased. And the actual bending of vinyl has been around for a period of time. However, it's being used more and more. The expense to bend a vinyl window compared to a wood window in many cases is much more reasonable. And so you're seeing it show up in these large, beautiful homes.